The crypto market is gripped by extreme fear as Bitcoin plunges below $95,000, hitting a 6-month low. Is this the start of a prolonged bear market? Massive ETF outflows, nearly $900 million in a single day, coupled with macroeconomic concerns, are fueling this downturn. This shift, alongside long-term holders selling, suggests a critical reevaluation of market stability and investor sentiment. If you're in crypto, listen up. Bitcoin just plunged below $95,000, hitting a 6-month low and wiping out over $448 million in leveraged long positions. This triggered a massive liquidation cascade, exposing extreme over-leveraging as longs outnumbered shorts 12-1. The overall sentiment is now bearish, with the $94,000 to $95,000 zone becoming a critical support level to watch. Imagine your traditional finance assets, like US Treasuries, suddenly becoming usable on a crypto exchange. BlackRock's BUIDL fund is doing exactly that, expanding to Binance and BNB chain. This $2.5 billion tokenized fund, backed by US Treasuries, now serves as collateral for institutional trading on Binance, unlocking new utility for real-world assets on-chain. It's a clear signal of TradFi and DeFi convergence, making regulated assets more accessible and programmable across 8 blockchains. While the crypto market dipped, Canary Capital's XRP ETF just made history. The XRPC spot ETF secured $245 million in net inflows and $58 million in trading volume on its debut, becoming 2025's largest ETF launch. This record-breaking performance, surpassing Solana and Bitcoin ETFs, highlights strong institutional demand for direct XRP exposure, despite an 8% price drop. The US Treasury Secretary just dropped a bombshell forecast. The stablecoin market is projected to skyrocket tenfold to $3 trillion by 2030. This isn't just about crypto. It's about stablecoins becoming a core buyer of US Treasury bills, fundamentally reshaping future debt management strategies. Essentially, stablecoins are like a global digital dollar, increasing demand for the USD and strengthening its international reserve status, a structural shift for the financial system. Imagine transforming trillion-dollar Forex markets with blockchain technology. Circle's new StableFX platform, built on its ARC blockchain, aims to modernize institutional Forex by enabling 24/7 stablecoin trading and real-time on-chain settlement. This innovation directly addresses traditional market inefficiencies, significantly reducing counterparty risk and enhancing transparency for global currency exchange. Hyperliquid just made a monumental leap towards decentralization, opening its markets to everyone. This move, enabled by HIP-3, allows anyone to create perpetual contract markets by staking HYPE, but it critically depends on accurate price data. Redstone's HyperStone Oracle, like a super-fast digital ticker, provides this crucial data every 3 milliseconds, making it the bedrock for diverse assets from crypto to tokenized stocks. This overlooked crypto metric might signal a massive shift for Chainlink. Chainlink's exchange supply has plunged to a 2-year low of 125.83 million tokens, indicating a significant reduction in selling pressure as investors move Link to cold storage. Multiple analysts are now forecasting a potential breakout from its multi-year consolidation, with price targets ranging from $27 to an ambitious $160. Forget what you thought about crypto volatility. A major figure just declared DeFi is now mature enough to be your primary bank account. Vitalik Buterin highlights significant security improvements, a shift from speculation to stability, and robust scalability, making on-chain savings viable and even offering 8.2% yields compared to traditional banks, 2.1%. However, he also warns against centralization, emphasizing trustlessness as the core principle, reminding us that true decentralization is often sacrificed for convenience. Attention crypto users! A malicious Chrome extension, Safari, Ethereum wallet, is actively stealing seed phrases right now. This extension, deceptively ranking 4th for Ethereum wallet, uses a unique method. It encodes your seed phrase into tiny SUI blockchain transactions. Attackers then reconstruct your seed phrase from these hidden microtransactions, gaining full control to drain your assets without a traditional C2 server. A single trader just exposed a critical vulnerability in a major decentralized exchange, causing millions in losses. Using a mere $3 million, a whale manipulated POPCAT's price with fake buy walls, leveraging it to a $30 million exposure. This led to POPCAT crashing, mass liquidations, and Hyperliquid's liquidity pool, absorbing a $4.9 million loss, highlighting DEX risks. The global financial landscape is shifting, and one nation is making a move that could redefine strategic reserves. Taiwan's government and central bank are now exploring incorporating Bitcoin into their strategic reserves, aiming to diversify from heavy US dollar reliance and enhance financial resilience. This initiative, starting with a pilot program using seized BTC, could position Taiwan as an early adopter in Asia, with new regulations expected within 6 months.